Hi, and welcome to our 7th Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean, and my friends call me DJ. I'm from Accounting Business Solutions by JCS, and I will be your guide here today. Today, we'll be going over just a few items on the toolbar in Excel. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your business to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting, and software. So let's begin. The items that we're going to be looking at today are how to copy, how to paste, and how to right, center, and left justification. So let's take a look. Okay, I've done an Excel spreadsheet for you today, and what I'm going to show you first of all is how to copy. So let's say you want to copy the word office supplies. You would click in that cell and do a Control-C for copy, and let's say you wanted to put it, let's say, over to the right underneath this, the 850, 820. You click in that cell and you do a copy V, which is paste. So the copy C copies the item, and copy V like Victor paste the item. So those are two functions right there. Let's go ahead and get this office supplies out of this cell over here. So there you go, that's gone. Okay, now what I'm going to show you is right, centering, and left justification. So let's take line item number 14, where it says pens and markers. I'm going to click on that cell. I'm going to come up to this area up here to the left where it says home. And right down here, you will see in alignment, you can go center, left justification, or right. I'm going to click on center and watch line number 14, what happens. It is then going to center it, or you can right justification, or you can do left justification. So those are the three things that we've learned today: how to copy, how to paste, and how to do the right, the left, and the centering justifications. These are just many features that Excel has to offer and will produce extremely professional documents. We have reviewed only a few features today, and please note that you can review any one of them as many times as you would like. Our clients is our #1 concern, and your success is our goal. One very important fact that I should have mentioned when I was showing the Excel spreadsheet: always hit Control-S, which is save. You always want to save your document while you're working on it many times instead of waiting to the end. Reason being, if there's a storm, electrical surge of any kind in the building, you can lose your whole document. So as you're working on it, if you continue to just hit Control-S every now and then, if there was an electrical surge, you would only lose the work that you just recently did. So that's a very, very important point. We are sure that these podcasts and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you for taking the time to invest in your future and learn more about the Excel program. We would be happy to provide you with a complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now and for your future growth of your company to assist you further. This is DJ signing off. I'd like to take the opportunity to thank you for your time and consideration for joining our podcast. Feel free to check in again to see the next podcast video by Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Have a great day. Bye now.